So, hello everyone, and welcome to on How to Speak in English channel. And today, do you know what is today? Today is very special day. Why? Today is very special, commendable, remarkable day. Let me tell you. Today, our Mahatma Gandhi like took birth. That is why, and he did a lot for us. He gave his entire life to Bharat, means he expended his entire life in rendering and trying to get freedom and try to make India freedom. So today is 2 October, means like today is Mahatma Gandhi birthday. So why do we celebrate it as a national festival? Today we are going to know. So you should watch this video at the end, because as a Bharatan, this is a very important thing to understand. Why do we celebrate it as a national festival? So before any further ado, let's get into. So guys, first of all, Mahatma Gandhi, like he expanded his entire life on one dhoti, gamcha, and he had one stick that we call lathi, and he used to wear a spectacle, right? But after looking him, what do come in everyone mind? Like every time we think, and when I was small I used to think he was very poor and he used to belong from poor family, but in reality it's nothing like this. He was rich, lavish man. He belongs to rich family, and he used to live in England, and he was barrister, he was lawyer, and he went in Africa for solving the problem. He did so many things for us, for other people. He gave his entire life, he expended in his entire life in serving the nation, serving the people, helping them, because he loved, and he was like a non-violence person, and he used to speak truth, and he did a lot for us. And think 200 years Bharat was in the control of Mughal, British. They came, they administrated the Bharat as they want, and they looted, and they did revolt on the Bharat, and they administrated the Bharat as they want. And 2000 years, means in this, it is very long lasting process. So in this, so many Bharat people had lost their life in saving their self, in saving their accommodation, and for getting freedom. They took so many revolt, but they were unsuccessful. So many things happened, and Gandhi ji helped everyone, and his father name was Karamchandra Gandhi, and he was the chief minister, means he was Diwan of Rajkot, and it is situated right now in Gujarat, Porbandar. Okay, so he was very rich, and his father had a lot of power, although he did not spend his life in comfortable. If he wanted, so he would have also spended his life in comfortable, because everyone wants one comfortable good life, but he didn't. He did a lot for us. He did hard work. He helped us, and he went Africa for solving problem of the people. There people were getting problem, like discrimination on, like color. Like right now, everything has solved. Every person is living peaceful, but initially they used to get so many problems. So Gandhi ji helped them. And Gandhi ji had three monkey, and one stopped his mouth through his hands. It means it like it teaches us we should never speak bad. And one monkey, he had closed his eye with his hand. It means it teaches us that we should never see bad thing. And one monkey had closed his ear with his hand. It teaches us we should never listen bad thing. So Gandhi ji has given a lot of things, and Gandhi ji has given this line as well, that if you teach an individual, means you are teaching, means if you teach a man, means you are teaching an individual. But if you teach a female, you are teaching entire family. So Gandhi ji has given so many thought. You can go, you can read. And miss I am ideal of his. And miss I like to speak truth and non-violence, because you can't solve any problem, you can't solve any problem and situation through riot. You can solve problem with non-violence, means don't do fight, don't do this kind of thing, try to solve. But right now in this present era, no one can listen without revolt, without quarrel, because era and time has totally changed. So thank you so much for watching. Hope it was enough about it.